Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to clean up your Instagram profile by removing old highlights from your PC, especially with all the new updates, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through the simple, step-by-step process of deleting your Instagram highlights directly from your computer browser. No need for third-party apps or complicated workarounds. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and head over to Instagram's website. Log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your profile, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll notice a menu with several options. Click on the menu icon. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or sometimes a hamburger icon, depending on your browser setup. This will expand the menu and give you access to more features. Next, scroll down the menu until you find the Your Activity option. Clicking this will take you to a page where Instagram organizes all your past actions, posts, and media. Here, you'll see different categories like photos, videos, stories, and more. Look for the section labeled Photos and Videos. Underneath this section, you'll see the option for highlights. Select it to view all the highlights currently saved on your profile. Now, you'll see a list of your highlights. At this point, you might notice a new feature: the ability to select multiple highlights at once. Click on Select at the top of the Highlights section. You can now choose all the highlights you want to remove by clicking on them. They'll be highlighted or marked with a check mark. If you want to delete everything, just select All. Once you've made your selections, look for the Delete button. Clicking this will prompt Instagram to ask you to confirm your action. Double-check your choices, because once you confirm, those highlights will be permanently removed from your profile. Confirm the deletion, and you're done. Your selected highlights will disappear right away. That's all there is to it. A quick and easy way to tidy up your Instagram profile from your PC, thanks to the latest updates. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share this video. And if you have any questions or want to see more tips and tricks, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming!